Hi guys, it's Omer, CICC's licensed Canadian immigration consultant from MAC Canadian Immigration Services. My office is based in Toronto, Canada, and I have a few important points for students who are about to complete their studies in Canada and they're about to submit their PGWP application. There are some technicalities that are involved when you submit your PGWP application, and if you're not sure about them, your application could be refused. So first of all, keep in mind, if you are a student and you are about to complete your studies or you have completed your studies and your next step in line is to apply for a postgraduate work permit, PGWP, you only have 180 days within which you must submit your PGWP application. But here's the technical part. When you submit your PGWP application, your study permit must be valid. And 90 days, 3 months after you complete your studies, that's when you get a written confirmation from your school that your studies have been completed. 3 months after that, your study permit gets invalid, even if it has a later expiration printed date. So you cannot apply for a PGWP with a study permit that is not valid, although you've submitted the PGWP application within the 180 days. And for someone who has completed their undergraduate and now they're looking to get admission to master's program. So let's suppose you finished your bachelor's in summer, in June or May, and later in the fall you're going for the master's course. IRCC allows you 150 days time window, which you can utilize for your full-time work in Canada. You can use that opportunity to work full-time in Canada if you are going from one program to another program. Anyways, if you're about to submit your PGWP application and you're not too sure about certain parts of the application as to how you should move forward, and you are looking for legal or professional advice, I'm a licensed Canadian immigration consultant based in Toronto, Canada. You can book an appointment at the given link here. We'll have a detailed chat about your professional profile in which we'll do a complete assessment to see where you stand, and of course we'll let you know how to move forward. So that was the important new update, and we'll be coming back with more updates. Thank you.